Hello guys, I'm Sarah and welcome to my online Swedish classes. Today is our 13th class and that is about Ordföljden I påståendesatser. It means formation of sentence. Räk ordföljd straight word order. So let's see how to make sentences in Swedish. First sentence. Jag läser. Jag is I, that is subject. Läser, reads, verb. I reads. Jag läser böcker. In the second sentence, object is böcker. So I reads books. Subject, verb, object, plats. One more thing is added here, plats. So in the third sentence, jag läser böcker på biblioteket. I reads book at the library. Jag subjekt, läser verb, böcker objekt, på biblioteket plats, place. And in the last sentence, tid, time is added. So, jag läser böcker på biblioteket idag. I reads book at the library today. Jag subjekt, läser, read, verb, böcker objekt and på bibliotek plats, idag, today is time. So the straight sentence formation, word formation will be subject, verb, object, plats and tid. And here are the rules for the same. Regel 1. Rule 1. Verbet på plats 2 efter fundament. Verb always come on the second place after the fundament. And what is fundament? That is subject, object, plats, tid, place and time. Whenever these are the question word, vem, vad, var, när. Vem means whom, who, and va is what, var, where, när, when. So whenever the question will be who, vem, then the answer will be in the subject form. And va, object, what is object, var is for place, när is for time, when. Regel 2. Rule 2 is about the place of subject and verb in the sentence. So in the räk ordföljden straight sentence, subject will come first and then verb. Subject and plus always will be together. In the reversal ordföljden or reversal sentence, verb will come first and then followed by subject. Regel 3. Rule 3. Sätt verbet efter ofta verbet. Förlåt. Sätt verbet efter första verbet. It means adverb will come after the first verb in the straight sentence and after the subject in the reversal sentence. Let's see these rules in the sentence. to understand more. Omvänd ordföljden inversion, that is reverse word order. So let's see how to make reverse sentence in Swedish. Jag dricker te i köket klockan 7. I am drinking tea in the kitchen at 7 o'clock. Or we can say, I drink tea in the kitchen at 7 o'clock. That is rak ordföljden, straight sentence. So straight sentence, we start with the subject, verb, object, plats och tid, place and time. Now let's see the reverse sentence. Te dricker jag i köket klockan 7. Tea drinking I am in the kitchen at 7 o'clock. Omvänd ordföljden, that is reverse word order. Vi börjar med objekt. We have started it with the object. Object is tea. Dricker is verb. Jag is subject. I köket plats, and klockan 7 is tid, time. Now let's see another example. Let's start with the plats, place. I köket dricker jag te klockan 7. In the kitchen, drinking I am tea klockan 7, according to this format. But we have started the sentence with object, that is tea, and place, that is I köket. This is also an example of omvänd ordföljden. Plats, verb, subject, object and tid. Now one more example. Let's start with the time. Klockan 7 dricker jag te i köket. It is at 7 o'clock drinks I tea in the kitchen. Vi börjar med tid. We started with this sentence from with time. So tid, verb, subjekt, objekt, plats. So this is the format of when we start the sentence with the time, that is tid, verb, subjekt, objekt and plats. Med satsad verb. Satsad verb is adverbs. Inte is not, alltid always, aldrig never, ofta often, sällan seldom. Jag dricker inte te i köket klockan 7. This is a straight sentence. Straight sentence, we start with the subject, verb and then satsad verb. So in the straight sentence, satsad verb always come after the verb. Subject, verb, satsad verb and then object, plats, tid. This is the format if there is a satsad verb given. Te dricker jag alltid i köket klockan 7. This is omvänd ordföljden, reverse sentence, and in the reverse sentence te is object and this sentence is started with the object. Object, verb, subject and then set verb plus did. So in the reverse sentence, set verb always come after the subject, not after the verb. Next sentence. Ich hocke dricker jag ofta till klockan 7. In this sentence we have started with the place plus verb subject and then set verb. Same with the next sentence. Klockan 7 dricker jag aldrig till i köket. This is also omvänt ordföljden, reverse sentence, and reverse sentence which is started with the time. Did verb subject and set verb, and then object and plus. So think about the rule 1 and 2. First, when you write set verb. Set verb is very important when you write in the state sentence and in the reverse sentence. So always keep in mind that in the state sentence it always comes with after the verb, and in the reverse sentence it always comes after the subject. Kom ihåg det ingen. Let's remember it once again. Rätt ordföljd, state word order, is subject, verb, object, plus and did. Omvänd ordföljd inversion, reverse sentence order is object, verb, subject, plus did, and when it is started with the place, plus verb, subject, object, did. When it is started with time, did, verb, subject, object, plus. So just notice one thing here. Whether the sentence is straight sentence or a reverse sentence, the verb is always on the second place. So hope this lecture help you to make sentences in the Swedish. Thank you guys. Enough for the day. Stay tuned for the further videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hej då!